how to set up your Airbnb account or how to sign up or log in on Airbnb. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bnb and today I'll guide you on how you can sign up or set up your account for Airbnb. Now the process itself is pretty simple and easy. I've already made other videos on it as well, but I'll be showing you here on quickly through as well. So what you can do is you can simply head into airbnb.com, right? Now I'm here on airbnb.com. You can head over to Airbnb app as well. Then you can simply head into login option. Under login, now what you can do is now you can see it's asking me to continue with Google, but this is the page that will eventually show up on login or sign up. So if you already have an account, you can simply enter in your credentials. If you have signed up with Facebook, Google or Apple or email or phone number, you can select that particular option and log in, right? If not, if you want to sign up, then you can simply enter in your phone number if you want to sign up with phone number, or if you want to continue with Facebook, Google, Apple or email, simply select that particular option. Then it'll ask you, do you want to sign up using this particular account or such, and then you want to tap on allow and you'll be good to go. You'll have to go through the quick verification process as well, like confirmation code if you select your phone number or Google or email. So this is the way that you can simply set up Airbnb. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.